Crazy confessions of an Uber Lyft driver, number 6. So a lady, very nice lady, just about to get out of my car. Now we were just laughing at this hilarious tip jar that I have in my car. It's basically a picture of a fish swimming in money, and the caption over it says, "I can only swim in money, please don't let me die." She points and giggles. A lot of people do. It's a great icebreaker. And so at the end of the ride, she pulls out a $5 bill. I'm like, okay, cool. There's gratuity in this ride. So she says, do you have some change for 5? I'm like, yeah, sure. I pull out some singles, and I'm like, how many singles do you want back? 5? Oh my God, you're serious. No, I didn't really respond that way when she said all 5, but oh my God, I was thinking it. Who does that? Oh my God, I've never seen that before in my entire life. This person was. She pulls out a 5. How many do you want back? 5. Talk about a Captain Obvious. It was obvious that this was a gratuity, but what's not obvious is what's going through her mind. She obviously knew that gratuity was not mandatory, but appreciated. And then we're giggling at the sign that was communicating that much, but in a humorous way. And then she pulls out a 5 at the end of the ride. Do you have some change? I'm like, sure, how many do you want back? And she says 5. Oh my God. That is some of the funniest shit I think I've ever seen before in my life. So who does that? Have any of you ever seen somebody do that, whether at a restaurant, a cab, a ride-sharing service, or anywhere where there's gratuity involved, and they ask for change and it's like the whole thing they want it back, but just in smaller bills? That is some funny, hysterical shit. And it's not at all congruent with her personality and, the way that she talked to me throughout the ride. She's a very nice lady. So that just threw me for a loop. That is what seemed like a high quality person doing a really low ball quality thing at the end there. So that was something. Now, I could have been some guy that was really hard up for money and desperate, but thankfully I'm not, because that could have devastated somebody, to be teased like that. So, but this ride-sharing thing has been a blast. I hope you enjoy number 6. I'm sure there's going to be more coming as crazy things happen. And every dollar that I make from this goes to my affordable housing project, and I also donate a little to Gerson.com. They heal people of all kinds of diseases, including cancers of all stages, using nature, not medicine. And I also donate just a little to the King's Ransom Foundation. They rescue children from the human trafficking and sex slave rings, and they feed starving kids throughout the world. And they do a bunch of great work. And both of those places are nonprofits, and they put the money, all of it, to the cause. They have other ways of raising money to handle their overhead and things like that. And but most of it goes towards my affordable housing project, where I focus mostly on middle to lower income families. And I haven't taken out any for myself. I haven't spent any of it. And if you're wondering how I'm able to do this and have my bills covered, and I don't have a job, don't want one, don't need one, ask me about what I'm doing. It's all in the health and fitness world. And if you like health and fitness and wellness, and you'd like to learn how to make the kind of money that sets a person to be free to do what they want when they want, then get a hold of me. I'll show you what I'm doing, and from there it's up to you if you want to do it with me or not, okay? So feel free to share this, because it's a funny story. I mean, who does that? I've never even heard of that. Wow, that really threw me for a loop. So it deserves a video, right? So I'll hear from some of you very soon. Feel free to share this, and my website, by the way, is tomberkenmeyer.com. Just like it's spelled here on social media. Take out the space, all lowercase, tomberkenmeyer.com. Bye for now. Mwah.